What's up, everybody? It's American Farm Restoration coming back to you with another video. This is just going to be a really quick video as we just got some snow and I wanted to try out our new GoPro on the Jeep with the plow. So enjoy the video. Be sure to click that subscribe button and the like button. I know it's been a little bit, but we're going to try to get some more videos up soon. Thanks for watching the video. We're going to try to get more videos up. It looks like this storm is mostly more of a ice mixture rather than snow itself, so it looks like we're going to probably have to get the tractor out and do some scraping with that. And I will try to get some more video on that and get it posted up for you guys to watch. I do have a few other videos that I'm working on currently, but I just haven't had the time to edit them. Once I get the time, I will have them up for you guys to see. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and have a great day, guys.